When it comes to home improvement, window replacement is one of the most effective ways to increase the value of your property in Love's Park. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to enhance its overall appeal and functionality, new windows offer a host of benefits that can make a significant impact on your home's marketability. Windows are an essential feature of any home, influencing everything from curb appeal to energy efficiency. They play a critical role in maintaining your home's security, comfort, and aesthetic value. Replacing old, inefficient, or damaged windows with modern, energy-efficient alternatives can elevate the overall value of your home while offering numerous other benefits. Here's how window replacement can help increase the value of your Love's Park home. Enhanced curb appeal. Curb appeal is one of the first things potential buyers notice when looking at a home. Old, worn, or damaged windows can significantly detract from the overall look of your property. Cracked frames, faded or chipped paint, and fogged-up glass can make your home appear neglected and less inviting. On the other hand, replacing your windows with new, stylish ones can drastically improve the appearance of your home's exterior. Whether you choose sleek vinyl windows, elegant wood frames, or modern fiberglass options, new windows can make your home look more polished, well-maintained, and visually appealing. Potential buyers will be drawn to the fresh look of your home, and the improved curb appeal can help increase its desirability and overall value. Energy efficiency and reduced utility costs. In today's market, energy efficiency is a key selling point for many homebuyers. Energy-efficient windows, particularly those with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fill, are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round by minimizing heat transfer and reducing drafts. These windows help regulate indoor temperatures, ensuring your home stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter, without relying as heavily on heating and cooling systems. By replacing outdated or inefficient windows, you can lower your home's energy bills and demonstrate to potential buyers that your home is equipped with modern, eco-friendly features. This energy efficiency not only benefits your utility costs but also boosts your home's market appeal, especially for environmentally conscious buyers. In fact, homes with energy-efficient features often sell faster and at a higher price. Improved comfort and indoor air quality. Windows play a crucial role in maintaining the comfort of your living spaces. Older windows, especially those with broken seals or poor insulation, can allow drafts and moisture to enter your home, making it difficult to regulate the temperature. Over time, this can lead to an uncomfortable indoor environment and even contribute to mold or mildew growth, particularly in areas with high humidity. By upgrading to new, high-quality windows, you can eliminate drafts, reduce outdoor noise, and improve indoor air quality. These improvements make your home more comfortable, which is a key factor that prospective buyers will consider when evaluating your property. Whether it's keeping the heat in during the winter or blocking out noise from the outside, new windows can significantly enhance your home's livability, adding to its overall appeal and value. Increased security and safety. Another significant benefit of window replacement is the improvement in home security. Older windows may have weak or outdated locks, cracked glass, or frames that are no longer secure. This can create an opening for potential break-ins, making your home more vulnerable. Modern windows are designed with security features in mind, including stronger frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. These features provide added protection against forced entry, giving homeowners peace of mind knowing their property is safer. For buyers looking for a secure home, this added security is an important selling point that can increase the perceived value of your home. Lower maintenance requirements. Old windows, particularly those made from wood, often require regular maintenance such as painting, sealing, and repairing. This ongoing maintenance can be time-consuming and costly. By replacing old, high-maintenance windows with new, low-maintenance options such as vinyl or fiberglass windows, you can save time and money on upkeep. New windows are designed to be more durable and resistant to the elements. Vinyl windows, for example, never need to be painted, and fiberglass windows are resistant to warping, cracking, or fading. Low-maintenance windows are an attractive feature for homebuyers who don't want to spend time and money on window upkeep, which can make your home more appealing and potentially increase its value. Return on investment, ROI. Window replacement offers an excellent return on investment, ROI, for homeowners looking to increase the value of their property. According to industry reports, window replacement typically has a high ROI, especially if you choose energy-efficient models. On average, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of their investment when selling their home. The ROI from window replacement is not only reflected in the immediate increase in value but also in the long-term benefits, such as lower energy bills and reduced maintenance costs. Replacing your windows is one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make to increase the overall value of your Loves Park property. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows is an investment that can offer significant returns. From enhancing curb appeal and increasing energy efficiency to improving security and comfort, new windows can make a noticeable difference in your home's value. Whether you plan to sell soon or simply want to enjoy the benefits of improved windows, replacing outdated or damaged windows is a smart decision for any homeowner. If you're ready to explore window replacement options, consult with a trusted professional to choose the best windows for your home. By making this upgrade, you'll not only increase your home's market value but also improve your living experience for years to come.